This is in perfectly good condition. It's a junior one bed, which basically means the living room and the kitchen are one room. You've got a closet right there, that's your entrance, and it's pretty decent size. Now, the question is, assuming you're okay with something that's not super modern, which this one clearly isn't, does this situation bother you enough to pay $300 more? Again, it's a junior one bed, so you've got a decent bedroom with a closet. There's your bathroom. It's all clean and really good condition. There's your entryway and there's your living room and kitchen. But for $300 more, there's another option right in this building. The larger apartment isn't just larger in the apartment itself, but it's actually located on the other side of the building, which has a much wider staircase, which just feels nicer to come home to.